Two people have been swept away by the Batang Lubuk Minturun River in Padang. Its rapid currents made for a tough and dramatic rescue by emergency personnel. Heavy rainfall caused the river to overflow and 4 visitors were caught out as it swelled. 2 managed to escape the river in time before being carried off by the surging current. Local residents sought help from the National Search and Rescue Office. Using ropes, 3 search and rescue personnel were lowered to evacuate the victims. In an hour-long rescue, they were assisted by local residents and the Padang Disaster Mitigation Agency. Under the pouring rain, as victims grew steadily weaker, they were eventually rescued and evacuated successfully.
Dia main di tengah kan, di seberang ni kan. Itu lama-lama air besar pak, air besar berempat, berdua udah nyeberang sama saya kan, tinggal berdua kan, alam sungguh besar.